today's video I'll be showing you 4 video editing tips using CapCut Online Video Editor. And also we will be using the new AI features that come with CapCut Online, such as script to video or auto captions. And CapCut Online is absolutely free, so let's get started, guys. Alright, so with the online version of CapCut, you can use Google Chrome or Edge to log in. I'm on Google Chrome right now, and once you log in, you will see your workspaces and everything like that. And we will get started with clicking on Create Video. So I'm starting with uploading my files to my media. So this will take a second and then we'll be right back. Alright, so my first footage already uploaded. So we will use this footage right now, drag it in here, just like this. And as you guys can see, it's a person walking across a bridge. So now what we're gonna try to do is remove that person. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is duplicate this. You can do this by Ctrl copy, Ctrl V, and then drag the other video above here, and we will make sure to place this right over the other video. Now what we want to do is go on the video up here and now click on basic, and where there is mask, none, we'll click on here and choose the rectangle mask. Now you basically just have to adjust the mask, so I will quickly do that to fit the object. Make sure it's something like this. And now what we have to do is, of course, make sure that it follows the object and the object doesn't go out of this. So you have to adjust the mask a bit from time to time. Actually, this looks pretty good already on our side. So let's just keep it like this. Now what we want to do is click on this invert icon right here. And now you can see it's just this black box. We can actually increase the feather a bit too, to make it even better. And now what we want to do is drag this file over the other file again. Now the last thing we have to do is increase the X position so that the subject removes. So I have increased this to 100 now, and as you guys can see, the person is gone. If we put it back to 80, you can see that the person is still here in the beginning. You can see some parts. So this is obviously too little, so put it to 100 and the person is gone. Now if we click play, you can see the object is removed and we'll just see the bridge and the background. So this is a really nice thing to do. Now this new AI feature is really helpful, because personally I don't like writing scripts, but we can actually just put in a prompt and it writes us a script, and then we can generate a video from that script. So this is a really good feature. So now we're on this new page and we'll have to press the slash key to activate the tool. And now we can, for example, do a commercial script with a product and selling point, or a narration script, and we're just going to do a narration script. So I will just quickly come up with something here. This is a really simple script, so I will just use this, and now we'll click on this arrow dot right here to generate it. So now you have a script right here. You can also change some things if you don't like them, but I will just use this script for now. Now if you absolutely don't like anything about this, you can even click on the arrow and you will get another script that is completely different. So I will just use the second script now, and we'll just have to click on use script. Now we can just click on generate video, and we can choose between custom generation and smart generation. Smart generation is basically where they choose the whole complete footage for you, and custom generation is when you just basically have to find the footage yourself and do a lot yourself. So we'll go with smart generation, and now you can obviously choose if you want it to be a short or long form video with the aspect ratio. I'm just gonna go for 9:16 now, and now we can even choose a voice. So you can choose a female, a British female, whatever you like. So I will just go with the American male right now, and then we can click on generate video. Now here's the video, and you can see they put some images and text and some music, of course. And I mean, some of the pictures are really good, they fit what they are saying, but some are not that good. So if you like the video, you can export it right here, or you can click on edit video, and that's what we are gonna do right now. And as you guys can see, you have the captions here and the music and everything. And the first thing I noticed is that the music is really generic. So if you want to change that, you can just delete this right here. and then go to, for example, audio, and you can find a lot of different songs that you like and put it in here. But we will just continue without a song. Now let's say you, for example, don't like this first image, then you can go to your media. You obviously have to have some media that you found somewhere, and then you can just, for example, if I go in here now, so now I will just take this video right here, and you can drag it right above this footage you don't like, and then you can click on done to reset it, and now you have some different footage in here, just like that. So obviously the footage has to match whatever is set, and it's a bit more complicated to do that, but it's a really good method. You can change everything in here just to your likings. You can also change the captions. So if we click on the one caption here, we can choose from different presets. For example, this one right here, so it's a purple background now. And yeah, when it plays, it's completely purple. This is also really nice. It comes in from the below, so I really like that. Now, if you don't like how long this text is, you can also go in here on the captions tab and click enter wherever you like so that it's shorter. So just like that, and you can also delete some here, but I wouldn't advise you to do that because you basically need the captions in here. But that's basically everything you can do in here. And now if you like the video how it is, you can click on export up here. You can even already upload it to the social media platforms you want, but I wouldn't advise you guys to do it. Just click on download right here, and then you can choose your resolution and everything as normal. And yeah, then you can export it. Now for the removing background, we're going to use this video, and basically what we want to do is just first of all drag it into the timeline again. We will make this a bit bigger. And now what you need to do is basically duplicate it, and we're going to put the opacity of the down one to 0 so we can see what we're working on here. Now take the upper one and make sure it's in the middle of the screen. Just like this. And now what we want to do is go onto this upper one and go onto Smart Tools and click on the Remove Background option. So we'll just quickly click on that and choose the auto removal. With chroma key you can like remove some green screen stuff, but I would just advise you to do the auto removal because it's a really good AI that can do it all. And as you guys can see, we removed the background of this person. Now if you, for example, want to add some text behind the person, this is no problem. What we can do now is go to text, and now what we want to do is just add some text. You can choose from the templates, but I will just add a body text. And now we want to drag it in the middle of these two. Now you can of course edit the text. So just like that, we have some text behind the person. And now it's of course still a black background. So what we want to do is go onto the video and make sure to turn the opacity up to 100 again. And now we have some tag background behind the person walking. I will just show you how it looks now. Really, really nice. So yeah, this is a really easy effect you can do with CapCut Online. Okay, so now for the auto captions, I'm just gonna use this video right here. So we'll drag it into the timeline again. And now you can see it's Iman Gadhzi talking. So what we will do now is click on the video and then go to basic and then go to Smart Tools. Now for this, we will just go to captions on the side here and click on auto captions, and we'll use English captions since Iman Gadhzi obviously talks English. So we'll click on generate right here. And as you guys can see, it has generated these captions. So now we'll of course want to change them again. So we can go on here and go onto the presets, and I really like this one, just like that, and it's pretty simple. So now you can again go on export and export your file. This was it with today's CapCut tutorial, so make sure to leave a like and to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I will see you guys next time.